In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add section titles in SurveyMonkey. In order to do that, first head over to surveymonkey.com and proceed to click onto this Get Started Free option in order to get started for an account. You also have the option to sign up for free using this. Now, if you already have an account, just proceed to click onto this login option. I already have one, so let me click on this. Here is the survey that I actually have. So onto this particular survey, as you can see, we have the first section, which is have the title. And in there, for example, let's actually add the section for the next option, which is the number 6. Click on this plus icon between these two numbers in order to add a content and click onto this page break. So with this page break, it's actually considered as a new page. And in here, you can change in here the title. For example, let's click onto this edit right here. Let's name this, for example, let's name this check up questions. Then click on save. And then as you can see, we have now in here this second section, and we have in here this first question right there. You can also add in here another one with text, which actually simplifies your actual section. So let's input right here our text or section name, click on save, and it will serve just like that. So we can actually add it right here. You can edit it, copy it, or move it around using this right here. You can change the themes as well as the actual options that you wish to use. Once you're done with everything, proceed to collect the responses by sharing the link of this survey in order to share it to people that you would like to answer this survey on. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.